Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, we have another unbagging, so that means we have another review. So let's see who this bag is from. If I can get through it without cutting anything wrong. Alright. Well, it looks like we got cross stitch and a diamond painting project. This is from Fansells, and we'll start with the diamond painting. These are just cute little ornaments that you can make up for Christmas. My grandkids love working on these things because they don't take forever, you know. This was $4.77. Pull it out here. Comes with a boat, wax and pin, and even some extra dealies. Extra baggies. And beautiful, beautiful drills. We'll look at them in a minute. If we can get this open. Oh, came right open. These are little keychain things. And you could change them, you know, if you were going to use them at Christmas. But they're just cute little houses. We have like a gingerbread house, and we have like a mug with some ice cream in it. We have a teapot. And a cupcake house, a little heart. And another little gingerbread type house. What's the other one look like? Oh, I see it was in dark. But they're two-sided, so you do both sides. So you got plenty of drills. And it comes with the little claw things and your little chains, so you could make them into keychains. Let me put them in there. But if you wanted to change them out for Christmas, you could just run a ribbon through there if you wanted to. So yeah, I just thought they were cute. So there are 5 of them. Wasn't sure if I was going to get that back in there. That was kind of scary. Better put that back in there. But I just love these little ornament type things in diamond painting because they don't take very long at all. Let's see how to open this. Oh. Take a look at the drills. They're all special drills, I believe. There might be some surprise, you know, solid ones. It does have the product number and what number it is on the fronts. So you got silver and kind of a light gold, red, pink, and kind of a bluebird blue, kind of a light tan. Got some orange, and then we got some lovely teal or turquoise. We got some orangish gold, and that's kind of a lighter orange, and kind of a pink color. Then you got some rounds with orange iridescence. You got some buttons that are kind of a reddish color. You got little red buttons and little gold buttons. So yeah, there's no regular drills in there. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, they just love these. And I've got probably 2 or 3 left from last year that I ordered. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. So let's get on to the cross stitch. This cross stitch was $19.71. And I will put a picture of it here. Okay. And that way you get to see it a little bit better. There's a lot of thread. A lot of thread. Pull it out. Get rid of the crinkle. Well, all your thread's packaged up. Beautiful. You do get a kit. It's got a little porpoise on it. So it has a poof ball, a thimble, 5 needles, and a threader. Just set that aside. Comes with a great big instruction page. So here's the instruction page that I was talking about the other day, where it shows you how to stitch. You know, certain stitches. There's back stitch, half stitch, quarter, 3/4, continuous. I guess that's back stitch, cast off, and French knots. So yeah, it has the product number up here. And the way you can tell that this is an 11 count, it says Y 11CT 6,000 or 60,000. And then this right here, the 1118, is your product number. But if it's a 14 count, it'll say Y 14CT. But 11 count is usually the bigger one. Oh my goodness, this is full coverage. I had no idea. I guess I didn't think about it. It's got 43 colors. Doesn't look too terribly confettied anywhere. You know, I mean, you're going to have a sprinkle just here and there. But it's not like every fourth one is something else. It has 310, 666, 823, no 939, no 3771, and it does have 3865. But nice big pattern, very easy to read. And it's all one thing. It's on that shiny thing, so you can just keep folding it up if you need to know where you're at. It does have a grid across the top. This pattern, this whole paper pattern, will match your canvas. Let's take a look at the threads, because I'm sure there'll be a couple. Just a couple. Hang in there. And I'm definitely saving this bag. Oh yeah. So we got a big old wad of extra threads. Put that up there so it won't crinkle. Let me undo these. They're all nicely rolled up. But I like that they put it in a bag. That way there's no guesswork. It's all there. But wait till you see these beautiful vivid colors. I love this. And I'm not a bird fan, but I like to look at birds. I just don't want them in my face. But look at the bright blue and bright yellow, like a teal. There's your 3865. Just beautiful. And this one's even more beautiful. I can get it to lay down. Hold that thought. Hang on. I gotta shake it just a little bit more. They get all mooshed together. But we have some golds and brown. Look at how many shades. There's 5 shades of blue right there. 6 counting. 7 counting the 939. It's right there. But nice, bright, vivid bird colors. Bird feather colors. Look at the oranges. Oh my goodness. And of course, this is 550 purple. I'm sure of it. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But number 7. No. It's not 550. I guess it's not dark enough to be 550. It is 318. Okay. Beautiful purple, though. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Doesn't have any, have the product number on here. There's a sticker, but it's in Chinese, so not a clue. But yeah, I would just write on the back of these just so they don't get separated. Man, look at all that. Isn't that just stunning? Just stunning. We have enough thread. We could make a cross stitch that was as big as a football field and never ever run out of thread around here. Let's take a look at these. We got some bright blues. That is 827. So you got 2 of those. You have 340. Isn't that a beautiful purple? It looks like a jelly bean. Love it. Then we have 210. It's kind of like night and day to 310, right? And then you have kind of a caramel color, which is 950. And I'm assuming this number 40 means that there's 40 strands of that. I don't know. And a Hank, I'm not sure. But this is like a seafoam green. Then we have like a darker caramel. It is $7.58. And then we got one of these. It's $3.774. It's like a shell peach color. Maybe more peach than shell. Doesn't have as much pink in it. And then we have two of these, which are $7.62. And it's kind of a pale gray, blue gray, pale blue gray. You can barely tell that there's any blue or green in there. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, this kit is, and why so much threads, you ask, right? It is, I'm trying to keep it together, and then I can. It is 130 by 36 centimeters. But I think it's going to be gorgeous. There's some big spots, you know, to stitch in, and not all little areas. But yeah, just absolutely very nice. I'm going to flip it over. It is serged all the way around. Nice, big, beautiful key. Easy to read symbols. The stitching doesn't go into the numbers. If, you know, that matters to you, it doesn't matter to me. I just grab whatever one on the thread card I need. You know, I don't pay too much attention. I like to know if it's going to be all 310 black, though, or all 939. And this isn't. The background is all, you know, kind of a, what do you call it? I'm trying. Think. Kind of a mottled, M-O-T-T-L-E-D, mottled looking background where it's all swirled together. So I think that'll be beautiful. And then you got your birds, of course, that are very vivid. So let's see. I may be able to fold this in half. Hang on. I got it. Oh, here it is. I thought if I measured it and then doubled it, well, if I get it going the right direction. Some days that's a thing. So it is 64.5. Maybe. So 64 is 128. So it's close to 130, the whole thing. I'm doubling it because there's no way I can get this undone. And this is 37, which is 14.5. The actual picture size is, we're going to guess, is 30 centimeters or a little under 12 inches. And then going from here down to here, 60, it's about 120. I'm going to say 120, 122, you know, centimeters. Let's see, which would be, hold that thought. I thought I had it. 24 be 48 inches, the actual picture. But yeah, very nice and easy to see symbols. They're not all crammed together, or, you know, it might get a little challenging over in here, but, you know, I think you work into it because this is not that way at all. You got that big area, and then you've got more rivers of color and stuff. So yeah, just beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. I loved all the colors in it. That's 90% of the reason why I buy what I buy, is for the colors. Well, thank you, Fansells, for sending me those beautiful kits. I appreciate it. Now, they do have diamond painting and cross stitch. They have paint by number, puzzles, wax seal, you know, the wax and the seals. They also sell paper quilling and music boxes. They have custom in diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. And they do have a separate Joy Sunday section. I don't know if they have, like, buy so much and get free shipping. If they do, I'll put that in the instructions below. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.